What's up, you guys? Big Z here from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali tutorial with Big Z. Before I proceed to the actual tutorial, I just want to take some time to say thank you for viewing my videos and subscribing. Keep the love coming. I also have a Facebook page and an Instagram account, so do not forget to follow them, okay? Link at the below, and yeah, just go ahead and follow me. Message, DM me. I would like to engage with you much more often than what I'm currently doing, right? So yeah, just message me, DM me on Instagram, and keep the love coming. Let me know what kind of things to post on my Instagram account. But I'm still thinking about posting. Like, I'm not sure what to post on my Instagram account. So yeah, do that. And without further ado, let's get started on this lesson. Alright, so in this lesson, I'm going to cover the have verb in Bengali. So as you can see here, I have to have written here, which is ache in Bengali, ache, right? It looks like ache in English, but it's ache, ache. Right, so to have is ache, and yeah, here we are. This is a pretty simple tutorial because you'll see why. Because everything is like ache, ache, ache. There is no conjugation here in this case, and this is just a simple present tense. Okay, it's not present continuous or anything complex, just simple present tense. So let's get started. All right, we have I have here. I have is amar ache, right? Amar ache. So this is ache, choy ekar. Okay. You have is tomar ache, right there, tomar ache. You have, that's the formal version, apnar ache, right? Apnar ache. He or she has is tar ache, right? Right there, tar. Well, it's not tar, it's tar. It's the to here, tar ache. He or she has, that's the formal version, tar ache, tar. So the chandra bindu on top of the to here, tar ache. We have is amader ache, right? You have is tomader ache, right there. That's the plural of this, yeah, tomar ache, right? So tomar ache, plural is tomader ache, right there. You have is apnader ache, that's the formal plural, apnader ache. They have is tader ache, right? Okay, here's the thing I have to cover now. Oh, yeah, okay. I'm just gonna let you guys see it anyway. They have is tader ache, and they have is tader ache. That's the formal version of this, basically. Yeah. So once more time. Let's go with this. Once again here, to have is ache, right? I have is amar ache. You have is tomar ache. You have is apnar ache. He or she has is tar ache. He or she has tar ache. So that's the formal version. We have is amader ache. You have is tomader ache. You have formal plural is apnader ache. They have is tader ache. They have formal is tader ache, right? Okay, so let's make some sentences with this have. Okay, let me just okay, there you go, that's better. You guys can see it better. Yeah, right there. Zoomed out a little bit. Right, so let's make some sentences here. I have a book here. I have a book, not here. Okay, I have a book. Okay, আমার একটি বই আছে, right? আমার একটি বই আছে. And that's the, okay, let me just have this period here. Okay, that's better. আমার একটি বই আছে. Oh, okay, I did not add this dari here. Let's add the dari here. Okay, and then after that we got they have a car. তাদের একটি গাড়ি আছে, right? তাদের একটি গাড়ি আছে, right? Or তাদের, you can say that that's like the formal, both formal and informal version. I have it in this one. They have a car, তাদের একটি গাড়ি আছে, or তাদের একটি গাড়ি আছে, right? He or she has a dog, তার একটি কুকুর আছে. So once again, this is formal or informal version. I've put it in. তার or তার একটি কুকুর আছে, right there. And after that we have a house. All right, আমাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে, right? আমাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে, right? আমাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে, right? You have a house, so that's the plural version. তোমাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে, right? Or you can say আপনাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে, right? So that's the formal plural. You can use the আপনাদের here as well. তোমাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে, right? And then we have what is this? You have a watch. তোমার একটি ঘড়ি আছে, right? তোমার একটি ঘড়ি আছে, ঘড়ি আছে. So that's how you make these sentences here. Basically, ache stays the same in present tense. Just the simple present tense stays the same. No problem. So once again, I'm going to go over them one more time. I have a book. আমার একটি বই আছে. They have a car. তাদের একটি গাড়ি আছে. He has a dog or she has a dog. তার একটি কুকুর আছে. We have a house. আমাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে. Right? You have a house. তোমাদের একটি বাড়ি আছে. And then you have a watch. তোমার একটি ঘড়ি আছে. Right? That's just like the singular thing I've used. That's the plural, that's singular. You guys, it makes sense to you guys, right? Yeah. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, do not forget to subscribe. Big C out.